Tackling a renovation soon? Here is what you need to know. Whether you're gutting your entire house or just touching up a few small things, here are 3 things to keep in mind. Number 1 is invest in the right areas. If you're renovating your home to raise your home's value, make sure you're focusing your time and money in the right place. Kitchens, bathrooms, and smart features pay off a lot when you sell. Number 2, be realistic. It's so important to be realistic about your timeline and budget. Things will often get delayed, yes. And your renovation might go over budget, yes. It's important to have some buffer room in your budget and timeline to protect yourself financially and mentally, yes. Number 3, know your limits. While there is no shame in the DIY game, a professional might save you the headache of having to tackle a project alone. If plumbing isn't something you have experience with, an expert could help. I hope these tips gave you some great ideas. What room in your house would you renovate first? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Tackling renovation soon? Here's 3 things to keep in mind. Number 1, invest in the areas that pay off. Kitchens, bathrooms, and smart features pay off big when you sell. Number 2, be realistic with your timeline and budget. Things will go wrong. That's just the way renovations work. Make sure there's buffer room in your budget and timeline. Lastly, know your limits. I love a good DIY just like you, but I'm pretty sure no one wants me messing with the electrical or the plumbing. Talk with a professional if a project is out of your wheelhouse. I hope these tips helped. See you next time.